Today my topic is what is a photon and what about the properties. Properties of the photon. Okay. So first of all, what is the energy of the photon? This is a wave of frequency nu, single frequency, and a photon which is associated with this particular wave of frequency nu is having energy which is proportional to frequency, or we can say E equals to E mean energy of the photon equals to, because it is proportional to what? It is proportional to frequency. Now this proportional sign can be replaced by a constant. That constant is called the Planck's constant H, having a constant value, having a constant value 6.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 joule seconds. So this is the formula of energy associated with a photon. Energy, this is the formula of energy of a photon associated with a wave of frequency nu. Next we are coming, what is the speed of the photon? Photon always travels with the speed of light. So there is a single speed, the photon always having the speed of light, not less than that. Now next is, what is the charge on the photon? There is no charge on the photon. Photon is a neutral, having no charge. The photon electrically neutral. Because photon is neutral, so it cannot be deflected by electric field or the magnetic field, because it's not having any charge. Now what about the mass of the photon? The rest mass of the photon is 0. That means photon cannot exist at rest, because rest mass of the photon is 0. So there is no mass at rest. There's a very important question, what about the momentum of the photon? According to the Einstein's theory of relativity, mass and energy are interconvertible, or they are equivalent. E equals to mc square. E is energy, m is the mass. Mass becomes E over c square. This is a wave, and a photon which is associated with this wave having energy h nu, substituting here, substituting here the value of E, which is h nu. The mass becomes h nu over c square. Then again this photon, the photon of this wave, and photon always having a speed or velocity equal to the velocity of light, which is the c. So what about the momentum of the photon? Because momentum is always mass into velocity. So what is the velocity of the photon? That is c. So momentum becomes p into c. Substituting the value of the mass here, and momentum becomes h nu by c. Very, very, very important relation. Always remember. Thank you very much.